Well, will Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, finally get the bail, or will his stint behind the bar continue? All eyes will be today on the Supreme Court as it gets set to deliver its verdict on Delhi Chief Minister's petition seeking bail and also challenging his arrest by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the excise policy scam. The Supreme Court bench had reserved its verdict on 5th of September. Now, challenging Kejriwal's continuing incarceration, senior advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi had submitted that he got release order on 3 occasions in money laundering case despite the stringent rigors of PMLA Act. He questioned how Kejriwal could be denied regular bail in CBI case when he has been given bail under the PMLA, since the Prevention of Corruption Act does not have stringent conditions like the money laundering law. Now, he also termed the arrest by the Central Bureau of Investigation an insurance arrest, which was made on June 26 on the cusp of Kejriwal's release in the ED case, and pointed that though the case was registered in August 2022, Kejriwal was not arrested for about 2 years. So this is the claim that is coming from the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal. Now, on the behalf of the Central Bureau of Investigation, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju accused the team Kejriwal of bypassing the lower courts. He said that Kejriwal should approach the trial court first, like the other co-accused in the case who got bail from the Supreme Court. K. Kavita, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, etc. had done. Now, however, he also went on to highlight that Kejriwal has never approached the trial court for bail in the CBI case. Let me now go across to Bhavtosh, my colleague who joins us live on broadcast. Bhavtosh, today, whether it will be bail or no bail for Arvind Kejriwal is something that the Supreme Court will decide by 10:30. Give us more details and also take us through the arguments that were put forth by the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal and the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Akansha, a very important day as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned. On 5th September, the Supreme Court had reserved its order, and the cause list of the Supreme Court says that there will be 2 judgments, one by Justice Kant and another by Justice Bhuyan. There was a marathon hearing that took place on September 5th, which lasted for nearly 7 hours. And and the Supreme Court, in fact, had said that no common petitioner would, in fact, get this opportunity when where Supreme Court will be hearing a case for such a long time. As far as you rightly said, as far as Abhishek Manu Singhvi had concerned, he said that this was an insurance arrest. Additional Solicitor General said that there should not have been a bench hopping by Arvind Kejriwal. But more importantly, he had also said that candidates who had fought elections on the behalf of Aam Aadmi Party, they were in fact assured that 90 lakh rupees would be given to them by Aam Aadmi Party, a charge that was vehemently denied by Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Importantly, he had also said that Punjab had yet not given them sanction to prosecute officials. This was an important point that has not only been mentioned by CBI in the charge sheet, but it was also mentioned by Additional Solicitor General in the Supreme Court. Now, the order has been reserved. It would be given at around 10:30 a.m. All eyes would be on Supreme Court. Remember, there is only 2 persons who are still behind judicial custody or behind bars. One is Arvind Kejriwal and other is Amandeep Dhal. All other accused in this case are now out on bail. So, important day today as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned.
Well, absolutely. All eyes will be on Supreme Court today. And should the order be in the favor of Arvind Kejriwal, he'll be released from jail 6 months after he was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. Thank you, Bhavtosh, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you on this big story that we will be closely tracking.